God. What a day.
Can I get you anything?
No. I need to start making some smart decisions.
With your career?
With my life.
Like what?
I don't know. We could get married.
Come on, be serious.
I am.
Why? Because I'm a smart decision?
Well, yeah.
So I'm like a bran muffin.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
No, that's exactly what you're saying. I'm the boring thing you're choosing because I'm good for you.
What does it matter? The point is I'm choosing you.
No, it matters a lot. I don't want to be a bran muffin. I want to be a Cinnabon, you know? A strawberry Pop-Tart. Something you're excited about, even though it could give you diabetes.
Sweetie, you could be any pastry you want.
No, it's too late. I'm your bran muffin, probably fat-free and good for your colon.
You know what? Forget it. I never should have brought it up.
You know I want to marry you, but you're only doing this because you got fired and you're feeling sorry for yourself.
Okay, it may look that way, but getting fired from that movie was the best thing that could have happened to me, okay? I finally realized I don't need to be famous or have some big career to be happy.
Then what do you need?
You stupid Pop-Tart!
Oh. Then I guess I'm in.
Really? You guess you're in?
Not like, I guess I'm in. Like, I guess I'm in.
Okay. Cool.
So is that it? Are we engaged?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
What's wrong?
I'm not sure. It just feels a little anticlimactic.
Yeah, it kind of does, huh?
Oh, I know. This might help.
Where did you get a ring?
I had it for a couple of years. Not important. Penny, will you marry me?
Oh my God, yes.
Would have been so much more romantic if you didn't have monkey hair on your finger.